Hello friends, in this video we will learn how can we add timer in our Google quiz. For this I just log into my Gmail account and I have already created a Google quiz demo on adding timer to Google quiz. We have already discussed in our previous video how can we add time limit to a particular Google quiz, but sometimes we require timer so that a watch will appear here and it will say about 15 minutes remaining, 10 minutes remaining, and whatever. We can see a timer here. For this we will require an extra add-on which is called Form Presenter. For download we have to download that. For downloading that extra add-on I have to just click on these three dots and then click on add-ons. We have this add-on from here. Name is Form Presenter. Form Presenter plus timer. We have to click on this. Then we have to download this. Click on install. Continue. It will ask for some permissions. Yes, this is the account. We have to accept, allow. Now it is installed to our Google Drive. We have to install it only once and we can use it in any of our quizzes. I just close it. Now we will see here. We can see this Form Presenter plus timer is there. Now we will see how can we use this. Then we have to click on this add-on icon and we will select this Form Presenter plus timer. It is already installed, so we have to make setup for this. It is taking some time. We can see the demo on adding timer to Google quiz. This is the name of our Google form. If you want to change the image of this particular form, we can change it by just clicking on change image. This is welcome message. You can change this presenting form demo on adding timer on to Google quiz. If you want to share some instructions, we can share by clicking here, by enabling this show instruction. We can also change the background. We can also change the title color or welcome message. Now this is our main option, time control. Here we can see that there are two options: enable form always or specific time. If we want to that our form is always open and anybody can fill it at their own choice or own convenience, then we have to choose this always. If we have to choose that our form is open at some specific time, say suppose 11 am or some particular time you require, then we have to choose specific time and we can set it very easily. Currently I am just choosing always options. Now we will see how can we add timer. I am setting timer for 10 minutes. Alert before 1 minute. It will alert to the participants 1 minute before. Now there are some more settings such as audience control. We will check for this. enforce login by audience. If you want to that the participant must log in before, so we can enforce login by audience. We can check on action control. We can track activity of audience such as capture photo, skip, they cannot take photo, enforce full screen, track full screen. Yes, these can be allowed. Now there are some other settings. So quiz score, yes, we can see quiz score. Now we will save these settings. Now we have to click on here, publish form. We can see form is published successfully. If we want to republish form, we can click here. Now if you want to view published form, we have to click here. If you want to copy link, we can copy the link. If we want to see view audience dashboard, we can see here, and we can also use it in our Google Classroom. It is also given. We can invite our audience by just sending mail. These are already given here. We can invite them by sending mails. We can invite up to 100 participants by sending the mail, or we can send this link to the participants by using some WhatsApp group or whatever. Now we will see the published form. View published form. Now we can see this is the published form. Demo on adding time to the Google quiz. Total time allowed is 10 minutes. If we will start this, then we have just, now you can see that timer is running. Time left 9 minutes 52 seconds, whatever. In this way we can send this form to our participants and they can fill it. Suppose I am filling it. Now we have to give the answer. CM of Uttar Pradesh is if we want a copy of responses, then we can click this. Now I am submitting this. It is showing time left. We can view score. 2 out of 2. Now we will see, we have clicked here, view published form. Now we will see the view audience dashboard. In this way we can see that who is responded for this form. User, started time, breaks taken 0, finished at this time elapses 2 minutes 30 seconds. Status is submitted. All the participants who will submit this form, we can see their detail here. We can edit this form, we can view this. So these are the various options we can use in our Google form. If you want to copy the link, just click on copy link to clipboard and we can send it via mail, or if we just enter it here and click this, then this form will be open. So friend, this is very easy to add a timer in our Google quiz, or while we are taking online examinations, you can easily add it. Thank you very much.